How to appear offline in Roblox. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Roblox, and then you're gonna have to simply click on the settings button in the top right corner, and then simply go to your settings, then simply go to privacy, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down and then simply go to other settings. And as you can see here, you have four different options. So the first one is who can make me a member of their private server. Then you have who can join me in experiences, and then you have update friends about my activity, and who can see my inventory. So the first one basically means that if you are a member of a private server, you can access it anytime. You can control who's automatically allowed to make you a member. So we're gonna leave this like this. Then we have this one here, which is who can join me in experiences. And this setting controls who can see which experience I'm in and join me in my server. Selecting no one means no one can follow me into my specific servers, but I will be interacting with other users. So if you want, you can select to be only your friends if you want to play only with your friends, or you can simply select no one and not even your friends can join you. Then you have this one here. If you select yes, your friends may receive updates about some of your recent activity in experiences. So you're gonna have to select no. And then you have the last one, which is this setting controls who can see your inventory. So here you can leave it like this. So select friends, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.